It's never too late to be what you might have been. I love this quote. It's never too late to be what you might have been. My name is CJ. This is Evolve Strong with CJ. I help you lose 10 pounds and 5 inches in 28 days. That's my job. That's what I do. This is what I am passionate about in my life. This is what I have dedicated my entire career toward, is helping individuals regain their confidence and their pride in themselves. And if losing a little bit of weight, losing a little bit of inches, becoming more capable and able in their body, that's what I do. All right. So listen up. I was reading a study the other day, not a study, but a questionnaire. When individuals are about to die, and this is very true statement in regards to my own father, who I cared for when he was passing. The number one regret when an individual is dying and on their deathbed, what the questions that they ask or the concerns that they say is this: they wish they would have been a truer self rather than being someone that others expected them to be. Let me repeat that again. They wish they would have been truer to who they thought they could be, or done the actions, or been whoever they were supposed to be themselves, rather than meeting the expectations of others. And I think this is so true for all of us. And I have always stated that I believe that being overweight, using alcohol, drugs, sex, whatever you're doing, coping mechanisms, these are habits that are formed. These are results of habits that are formed in order to cope with all of the stresses in life because of lack of boundaries. And when individuals like myself, and I found myself in this huge quagmire in 2008 when I was trying to please my entire family. And I was, I absolutely am proud of my past because it has made me who I am today. No, I can't say proud. I'm not ashamed of my past. Pardon me, that I can't say I'm proud. That was the wrong word. I am proud of who I am today because of my past. Let's just say that. Let me restate that. Apologies for that, whatever. Now, at that time in 2008, I was so dedicated to helping my family live their lives. I was living my father's dream in building his construction company. I was living my mother and father's life in making sure they were taken care of and good. I was helping, them. I was doing their life, and I lost my own. And when things went to shit in hell high basket in 2008, and things began to implode with the economy and the real estate market, and our main clientele were home builders and land developers. And when everything just started to go in kaput, and I went away and I left the company under my brother's deal, things just went to shit. And when I came back and there was a successful coup and all that good stuff, I could not repair the organization. And I did not have the wherewithal, and I did not have the passion, and I did not have the foundation necessary to battle that which I needed in order to keep the company that I had built. Because today, I know who I am. I know who CJ has become. And I know who I serve, and I know my purpose in life. And that foundation has held me so strong, because I'll tell you, when those tornadoes come, and when those, those huge avalanches come, and when those tsunamis have just wiped out the entire building, that foundation has always remained strong for eVOLV and for who CJ has become. And I still today am recreating myself in regards to who I want to be. And I am becoming more secure in who I am and who I serve and what I am. And it has just been tremendous, because I have closed down organizations. I mean, the brick and mortar facilities for eVOLV, and then I've reopened. eVOLV has never stopped. It has never died. And eVOLV was my creation because that foundation is so strong. But yet I've been able to recreate and redo different aspects of who I am and who eVOLV is, because I have a purpose, and it's because I have an idea and of who I am. And it is evolving. No pun intended. And this is like a cool little statement for any of us in life. It is never too late to be what you might have been. In 2008, when I lost everything the first time, I was living someone else's dreams. I wasn't living my own. And I found myself without boundaries, and I was succumbing and being defeated by the expectations of others. And I lost it. I lost everything. That's when drugs, alcohol, all kinds of crazy stuff went. That's when I went back into fitness and I found myself again. And then I found myself when I helped others get out of their quagmires. But I used fitness and health in order to help others find themselves again. That is what keeps me on my path. That's what keeps my foundation strong. I don't need brick and mortar in order to provide the services that I do. It helps a lot, don't get me wrong. And eVOLV now is so solid, it is not even funny. It's amazing. And I thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for supporting eVOLV. Thank you for supporting CJ. Thank you for supporting the mission of what we do, because we help countless lives. And it's a community. It's a community. It's awesome. It's awesome. The changes that I see every single day are just simply amazing. Tony, down almost 15 inches around your waist. Dude, that's a whole human being, bro. Congratulations, down 55 pounds. Debbie overcoming over 110 pounds down. I mean, it's, overcoming some severe medicals. Come on. You guys are inspiring, and it's all relative. But you know what? What's cool about Tony and what's cool about Debbie? They realize that now is their time, and it's never too late to become the person they want to be. And they are brand new people, but they're new and improved with the old along with them. And so can you. You can do this too. You can do this too. If I did it, if Tony did it, Debbie did it, if all of the clients, the thousands of individuals that have come through these doors can do it, you can do it. And that's the message today. It's never too late to be what you might have been. And don't ever, ever, ever fall victim to others' expectations, because it's your life. It's nobody else's. It's yours. And that is a strong, strong message. And I live this every single day. And as a trainer, this is what I do. Is I help instill these type of thoughts into people, that they are capable and able to be whoever the fuck they wish to be, and whoever you want to be. So don't ever give up. And I don't care how old you are. I don't care what color you are. I don't care what age you are. I don't care anything. You can be 600 pounds. If you want to be a damn pole dancer, you go for it. Serious. You're going to have to work for it, though. Going to probably have to lose a couple pounds. But seriously, this is the message today. Hey, guys, if you need some help and you're looking for a helping hand, that can get you there much quicker, hold you accountable. My team and I stand ready. 505-591-4700, 505-591-4700. For my RTers, remember, start strong, stay strong, always be eVOLV strong. Look forward to hearing from you. Later.